This is Rakesh Naraparaju. I'm a permanent resident of Australia since 2017. Currently working in an IT sector, which is my background basically. Yes, obviously it has changed my life, my lifestyle. Everything has been changed completely now. With coming to the training, the PTE academic training with best PTE coaching, Sandeep, I would really thank him, and he's become one of my best mentors ever since I've joined PTE. I've written 11 times IELTS with my cousin's help. I was able to get in touch with Sandeep, and it actually changed my life, probably forever. He gave me some wonderful tips where I was actually lagging. I can speak better English. I was right from the beginning. I'm into the English medium and stuff, but that doesn't give you that caliber to complete few exams, because you need some kind of a mentoring and training. That's what I believed as well. I was actually more confident why I'm not getting 11 times, and I thought, okay, this time I need some mentor, and then I was able to get in touch with Sandeep. Probably that changed my life. But then every tip that he gave me, I followed it. Eagerness and interest to learn should be there from your side. Those tips and those mentoring can help you in achieving the PT, and I'm pretty sure Sandeep will lead it in that. I'm unconditionally, I can tell you that I've actually referred many people, and I would unconditionally refer even them in the future as well, because he's the gem in that. He will make you a better person. Thank you.